See, it's not a matter of you crying or sobbing. There's no amount of tears that can change the hands of the clock. We have been joined together as husband and wife, and we have been joined together. There's no two ways about it. The gods, by themselves, with themselves, and unto themselves, they join us together as one. So crying will not help it. The only thing is just give me way to possess my possessions. That is it.
This is not fair. This is not fair at all. I'm engaged.
You are engaged. You are engaged. Who would have married a mad girl? Who would have married a mad girl like you? You should be running around me, praising me, romancing me, touching me, petting me, in fact, showering me with praises for saving your life. Eh? Somebody who would have been in the market now picking peppers. Or give out on our wegu. You gonna chario, give away any mahia. So tell every hot. Now Brabanya Christmas. Or maybe at the dustbin picking something, picking a bachamon will read on. I saved you. See, if you don't want this marriage to hold, it's better you go back to the gods and then ask them to change the hands of the clock, of which I know they cannot try such. The gods I serve are very wise. They know what is good for we.
Just imagine. How can I end up in the shrine with all this my beauty? Just imagine. This is bondage. It's not fair, I'm telling you. Please, why don't you just name your price? I know my mother, she will pay. Just name your price and let me go, please. Please, I'm begging you.
I should name your price. Please name your price. My mother will pay. Your mother will pay. Why did she cure you of your madness? Ebe nego nwunye dangote. I will nego well I thought when is the nupo. Nego will be shop also bro. Nego wo elahi arasi China. Nego work on the badge. That your price. Your mother will pay. You will end up in the shrine with your beauty. Would you have end up in the street with your beauty, with running madness? No, because stop making noise. See, if you know what is good for you, just mellow down. I am very, very romantic. Get home, what beauty? I am very, very handsome. If I remove all these things I'm wearing, okay, you will give him yard go te. Mepelego. Umaka Johnson, roundabout Umaka. Woo! Give some boy. Happy we hear who go te. Happy we hear who go. Beauty plus handsome. Here I got Boshita again. Eh, get there. Yamu was Oji. Mbe go see. Give more potoji no way. Yeah, was it. Come on, who's Oji? Why did you come here?
Me alone.
I should leave you alone.
Me alone.
Come on, Bianco.
Leave me alone.
Bianco.